It's not fun. Shaking that fucking car around over my head.
So what are we doing today, Bombo?
Getting covered in coolant and angry. And then just about to do the same thing I just did and fuck this all up.
I'll do that.
It's hot. It's not even that hot out.
We're taking the transmission out of a beautiful Vibe GT.
Yep.
Because Bombo wants a 6-speed Corolla. Performance Corolla. You should take the GT badge and stick it on there too. We out here at US Auto. Bombo's in his natural habitat.
Yeah, we're jammed up underneath garbage. And I can't. Did it again.
Jammed it.
Except it's not like a jam. I can't get my finger behind it to fucking change the direction on it. Gave me a flathead screwdriver. Should be like in the bag on the wall there. Okay, I got the socket. I don't know. Like the one marker that I'm supposed to be able to find, I cannot. It's like there's a 2A and a 2B, and the 2B is the one that slip trails. And it's like a little fucking tiny thing. It would be on the door if this was the Toyota, but because it's the Pontiac variant it it's not. Tried like 3 or 4 times.
Flying.
Not quite. It's kind of jammed now. I wonder if I got this underneath and kind of get it the rest of the way. Why fight it? Just
No one's gonna use that bracket anyway.
anyway. I know what I need. I need the wrench that was in my pocket. And I'll operate this. And I'm just gonna push on it.
Get it.
Yep.
Okay.
Go for it.
God, this whole log fucking full.
Yeah, you can go through. That's why I took the radiator out, make life a little easier. It might move a lot, so. Keep going. There it goes. Oh, she's already starting to separate. There, go ahead. So let's lower it down.
ground strap is the only thing holding it up.
What ground strap? What that ground strap?
This fucking guitar string here. It's Toyota ground strap holds up the entire engine and transmission. Yeah.
Like, this is.
It's a little frightening.
We'll get a little weight off of it and pull it that way it doesn't just
Explode.
drop down and fucking break one of our legs.
And the linkage. Your ship linkage.
It's not too fun when you're out here and you're like, okay, time to take the subframe bolts out, and there's no one around.
You gotta drop the subframe all on your own without a hoist laying on the ground into the car.
Now it's your fault.
What about your... Oh, that's not attached, never mind.
No, that thing's just
Like
dangling.
it was. And whatever this... That's not attached either. The clutch line, is that still attached? You
Nope.
want that?
If you look back, it's cut. It's probably all the play in
Mounts.
the mounts. Shit.
I can see it wiggling.
Huh?
I can see it wiggling.
Where's that big screwdriver? I just wonder where this is actually gonna.
Bobbed in the back.
Scary transmission dangling in the sky. Please don't fall out of the car because then I just might die.
Spray some PB blast in there.
Huh?
Let's maybe spray some PB blast in there. Maybe you pick it up a little bit and hit it a couple times. Don't have too much tension.
Fucking accidentally hang myself with this.
Yeah. That should be good. Give it a smack. Oh yeah, there you go.
CV shaft that was fucked up. That and I don't think it's coming out straight. Okay, let's see if I dare do this. This is fucking scary.
Should we put the tire under it?
Yeah. And
Looks like she's going. Keep looking. There it goes.
transmission out.
Yay.
Alright. Man, that was wasn't exactly easy. WRX. Remember kids, strap your loads.
For the fun drive home with the transmission on the bed.
I just don't want it to make a surprise appearance in the back of my head if I stop fast.
Well, we made it. Yeah, look at those bugs. Look at that pollen. Look at the foggy ass headlights. It's mint. I think you're so funny.
I am.
Look at all your Milwaukee tools.
Ooh, Milwaukee stuff.
I've never been there, but I use their tools.
Yep. I don't know where Milwaukee is. Is it in Canada? Yeah. fucking mess. Ryan, if we're not drinking from 900 CV cups at your wedding, I'm not going.
Back on how? You just push back on it. Like out? Push back?
Get like that. Actually, pull up on that. Push back and pull up.
Doing that.
Did you wiggle it?
I did.
Touch it? Tap it?
Did all the things.
You slap it?
Pop.
Did you sweet talk it? Did you like pull up further on this and then yank it out and break the whole connector off?
Namaste.